October 31st, Halloween. What original topic for a video did I come up with? Pause the video and write your ideas in the comments. Today I will talk about recording some fruits, vegetables, walnuts, crushing, breaking and squishing sounds. And of course, it's not a secret that these sounds are used in movies and games to make all those disgusting layers of bone breaking, smashing guts, monster follies, knife and sword stabs, etc. And because it's Halloween time, all the zombies and gore stuff are perfect things to make a sound design video. I will show you how my DIY foldable Foley pit looks, how I protect my equipment and my house from grapefruit juice, how to achieve all those disgusting sounds, and how they mix with other layers later. And I thought it is nice to make 500 subs special video and give all these sounds to my viewers and subscribers. But there is a plot twist in this video. Today I will not only talk about sound. We have much bigger problem to discuss. I don't know which part of this video is more disgusting. You've probably heard about plastic pollution in oceans and seas. I hope you're concerned about the scale of this thing, and there are guys from Teamseas that have a solution. Those guys want to raise $30 million to remove 30 million pounds of plastic from seas, oceans, lakes, rivers and other water reservoirs. Instead of giving you those gore sounds for free, I want you to donate at least $1 for Teamseas, and in exchange I will send you those recordings. Just hit me with a DM on my Discord channel, let me know that you've donated. I don't need to know how much, and I'll send you a link. It's great that people care. Back to the Halloween stuff. I bought some grapefruit, celery, walnuts and peppers. The most common and useful veggies to work with this kind of stuff. Or maybe I am wrong. I know we can use cooked pasta and some wet paper to make even more disgusting things, but I thought I'll stick with my choice. So of course I've used my 416, hid it in a blimp to protect from all those juices and other parts of crushed food. Later I took my foldable box I bought in a car store. The best thing about it is that it saves a lot of space and you can adjust the height of it. Last thing is an old towel, which has two functions. Protects the pit from getting dirty and covers the plastic box so there is no plastic reverb, or almost none. Now let's listen to some of the sounds I've recorded. Remember to not waste any food. Make some nice smoothie or cocktail from what's left. After putting them in a dough, I've edited them, cleaned them and bounced into shorter samples. All of these sounds will be available, as I said before, to anybody that donates for Teamseas. And to test out my recordings, I've used two gameplay clips. One from the VR game called Saint and Sinners. Second one is from Mortal Kombat, which has insanely disgusting fatality videos. I personally don't like zombies and horror stuff, but I can live with that one day in a year. And I always get mad when there is a Halloween event in Call of Duty Warzone and I have to defeat all those ghosts and zombies. Anyway, let's listen to my sound design where I've used my recordings and some other sweeteners. First of all, only the layer with my recordings after adding some dynamic processing, transient shaping, distortion, pitching and reverb. And now with all the other stuff. The zombie voice is actually me processed through Krotos Simple Monsters plugin, which was on sale and I bought it, and I am not sure if that is the best way to spend $30. Maybe I'll play more with this one, but my first impression is meh. And yeah, you can do zombie-like voice just with 2 clicks. But are they good as hell? No. One last reminder, go to the link in the description and donate for Teamseas. Me and my wife donated $20, so we helped to remove 20 pounds of plastic shit from oceans and seas. If you want those recordings, jump onto my Discord channel, hit me a DM and I'll send you a link. Remember, these recordings are raw, made in a kitchen, so you can hear some ventilation noise or hums. I cleaned them a little, but you know. However, as you heard, they are totally usable. They just need more time and love. Okay, it's over. I've worked with the horror and gore stuff, which I really hate, but I hope my viewers will be willing to take part in oceans and seas cleaning action. Go and check Aftertouch Audio and the Sound Effects Guy videos about the same topic. Keep our water clean, fuck plastic, and until next time.